Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about a working model which is more sustainable in nature. It is solar powered grain drying system. So here, we have used solar energy to dry the seeds, or it could be fruits, or it could be vegetables, and so on. Here we have a sun. Sun is glowing. When sun is glowing, what happens is the sunlight will pass on to via this transparent roof. When it is passed through a transparent roof, what happens is here heat getting built up. So how the heat is getting built up, we can say that we have simulated the red lights here. That means the hot air is getting generated. With that hot air, what happens is, because this complete dryer is completely closed, that means this hot air is getting circulated inside. With that air, the seeds or vegetables will get dried very easily. Now, when it is getting dried, so what we are trying to do here is, so we are using these fans, the inlet fans, to send the cold air from this fan here. So when cold air comes here, and parallelly, so whatever the air getting heated up, so that is getting outlet in this fan. If you can see, right, the hot air is coming in this fan. So in this way, the entire circulation of air from cold to hot, the air passage will look like in this way. And we have kept the trays which we wanted to keep, like seeds or vegetables, fruits, anything you can get dried using this solar dryer. So now you got an idea of how this solar drain dryer really works. So we have make use of the solar panels to generate electricity, plus in order to circulate the air, cool to air. So you used completely this solar energy. In that way, we will be using less electricity from our electricity grid. In that way, we are going to save the electricity bills, as well as we are using renewable energy, so that is going to sustain the electricity for very long. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about solar powered grain drying system. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button, as well as share with your friends, so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.